Hello everybody, Miguel here, and I got my awesome fit buddy, and today we're going to be focusing on releasing of the calves. So if you got any tension in the calves, especially right behind the knee, popliteal, gastrocnemialis and soleus, these muscle groups not only are helpful for our walking patterns, gait cycling, running. A lot of people will have any excess blood flow issues. Foam rolling your calves is extremely important. One of the main reasons that people continue to get blood locked up at the bottom part of the calf is because they're not moving that blood back up the body. And that comes from not pushing off the toes while walking and other exercises. Walking flat-footed can kind of leave a lot of blood down in the calf. So to get some of this excess blood flow out, I love going kind of against the grain with the muscle when it comes to using the Fit Buddy and doing the calves. So what I'll do is I tend to start actually toward the ankle complex, just right behind the Achilles, and then I'll just start warming it up and go laterally side to side. I'll move my entire body forward, maybe another inch up, and then once I kind of find any knots, I might throw in a little bit extra pressure and put the other calf on over or put the other leg over so I can add a little bit more pressure. If I really wanted even more pressure beyond that, I could also lift the hips up a little bit. And because of the height of the Fit Buddy, you don't have to really bring your hips that high off the floor, which makes it easier on your arms, hands, wrists, elbows. And you basically just want to keep moving on up that Fit Buddy, moving the body down, working that Fit Buddy up the calf, and again, going against the grain lightly. If you really wanted to, you can continue to kind of saw back and forth, but going against the grain will also tremendously bring in a lot of release into that calf. So enjoy using your Fit Buddy, have fun with your release, and enjoy the rest of your day.